okay, it's time. We had a pretty good run, and it sucks cause we're friends, and I hate that you end up hurt. I'm burning through the fire that lit up my soul. I'm hiding in the places that you never go. You asked me for your space and I gave you the world. I guess you like it better when you're all alone. You scream my name cause you're confused. I'll take the blame if it will help. It feels so strange leaving you, but we both need somebody else now. But we both need somebody else. But we both need somebody else now. But we both need somebody else. Somebody